I'm currently in the Dalles Wednesday night, and here is a look at some of the damage from that windstorm that happened Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. This is part of the roof that was ripped off of this building, really closing it indefinitely. This is Water's Edge. It's an ancillary care facility run by Adventist Health, Columbia Gorge. About 150 to 175 patients are here daily. The team's working to reopen clinics and services which will remain closed through this weekend while they work to move care to temporary locations. Now, the building itself, as you can see, it's not going to be a quick fix. Here's a look inside from earlier today. This video courtesy of Adventist Health. Now, the owner of the building had cleanup crews on the ground covering the hole in the roof and working to clean up all of this debris. At the time of the storm, 3 patients undergoing an overnight sleep study and 1 worker were inside. But Adventist Health leaders say they got out safely before fire crews even arrived, and no one was injured.